Today, I'll walk you through how to set up a daily business planning note in Obsidian so you can stay organized and focused every single day. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open Obsidian on your computer, and then open the vault where you want to keep your daily planning notes. Once your vault is loaded, look to the left sidebar. You'll see a link or icon labeled Daily Notes. Click on that. If you don't see it, make sure the Daily Notes plugin is enabled in your settings, but for most setups, it should be right there. Now click Create Today's Note. Obsidian will generate a fresh note for the current date, which is perfect for capturing your day's planning. Next, at the very top of this new note, you want to add your main sections. Type in top priorities, then classics, then meetings, and finally notes. You can put each one on a new line and consider making them headings by adding a couple of hash marks in front of each if you like, but plain text works just fine. These 4 sections will serve as the backbone of your daily business plan. Now, under top priorities, list your most important business goals for the day. Keep this to 3 to 5 items max. These are the non-negotiables that will move the needle. Under tasks, you'll add your action items using Obsidian's Markdown checkbox syntax. Type a dash, a space, an opening square bracket, a space, and a closing square bracket, then the task description. It looks like this: dash, space brackets with a space inside. That gives you a clickable checkbox that you can mark off as you go. This is incredibly satisfying and helps you track progress. Next, under meetings, write down key discussion points and any follow-ups you need to remember. This keeps you prepared and accountable. Under notes, capture any ideas, decisions, or reminders that come up throughout your day. This is your catch-all for everything that doesn't fit neatly into the other sections. Now, a pro tip to make these notes searchable: use tags. At the bottom of your note, simply type business, planning, and Hess Daily. You can add more tags as needed, but these 3 will help you find all your planning notes later. At the end of your day, take a minute to review. Go through your task section and mark completed items by clicking the checkbox. For anything left unfinished, update the note, either move it to tomorrow's note or keep it here as a reminder. And here's a fast shortcut. Press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open Obsidian's command palette, then type daily to quickly open any daily note you want. You now have a simple, powerful daily planning system inside Obsidian that keeps your business goals, tasks, meetings, and ideas all in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.